working on this Regula main wheel that has a plastic gear that's cracked. And I'm trying to remove it, and I'm using this modified tool, this hand puller that I got from Time Saver. I had to modify the tool a bit, had to shave some metal off of it and open up the spokes, the forks up there, so it'll accept the arbor. So now I'm just trying to compress and remove the gear. Get focused here. Come on. Doesn't want to stay. This tool is very cheap. It's made in India, low quality. I'm not very happy with it, but you get the idea of what I'm trying to do. Just going to press this wheel off. As you can see, I've made some progress. Come on, focus. Jeez. Sorry about the focus here. Let me try to get some more light on it. All right, finally. Gosh. All right, you can see it's almost off. Slowly turning it, and it's coming off. But you get the picture. It's just about off now. So I'm going to press on a new gear, and I'll try to film that.